This week we learned how to use different video transitions. This enables us to make the changeover from one clip to another sort of smoother. I've got two clips here, one of a music video and one from Batman, so two go well together. So let's put those next to each other. They are next to each other, perfect. Okay, we'll just render that. As we've got these two clips lined up to each other, we're going to move from the music video onto the Batman, and we want to kind of make this change as smooth as possible, as there's quite a bit of difference between the shots, as you can see here. So quite different, but we want to make this as smooth as possible. And as the Batman shot starts off with black, let's try and get rid of that. So we'll do this using the tool that we learnt before in a different one of the videos, using the razor tool. So now we have the two clips lined up next to each other. It's still got the black on, so okay, we'll just do that. Okay, it's on the chain. Okay, so let's just remove the black from there. Okay, so now we do have clips that two lined up next to each other. So from here, we can see that the transition isn't smooth because obviously changing colours, different times, etc. So in order to change that, we come over here and go onto effects, and we can go onto video transitions, and then dissolve. And then the one that we've been taught to use most of all is cross dissolve. This sort of takes off part of each clip, and so as you can see, there is part of one shot in the frame and part of the other shot. So let's show you what that has done. So as you can see, it's dissolved it from one shot into the other, and we can also play around with the crossfade. If we double click on it, and you can okay. Okay, yeah. Sorry. We can set the transition duration, so we can sort of make it 1 second. Or we can make it a quicker transaction, so 4 frames. And that's just one type of transition. As you can see, there are clearly many types of video transitions, but we have only focused on the dissolving class. But you can also dip it to black, so that means the screen will solely dissolve into a black. So as you can see there, before it changes over into the next one. And there are similar ones, so you can dip it to white and did the dissolve. There's a different type of transition, which sort of changes the pixels before it turns into another one. So those are the transitions that we learned in the lesson today. There are quite clearly many more, such as zoom, wipe, stretch, special effect, etc. But we haven't gone on to those yet. I'm sure we will do at some point. But that is what we learned in class today. So now we know how to do video transitions.